Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to convert 0.25 to fraction in its lowest term. So this value we have here is in decimal form. We're expected to convert it to fraction. And not just converting it to fraction, we are to convert it to fraction in its lowest term. So how do you convert a decimal to fraction? Very simple, let's solve. So we have 0.25. To convert a decimal to a fraction, the first thing we need to do is move the decimal from where the decimal currently is to the right end of the number. So the decimal point is here, so we have to move it to the end of the number. Let's see how many times we move it. So we are going to move it 1, 2. So to move the decimal point to the end of the number, we have to move it 2 times. And whenever you move the decimal point, you are going to have a multiple of 10 depending on the number of times you move the decimal point. This means if you move the decimal point once, that means you're going to divide by 10 to the power of 1. Here we moved it twice, so we are going to divide by 10 to the power of 2. So when the decimal point comes to this point, we no longer have 0.25, we now have 25. But we are going to divide 25 by a power of 10. So divided by, how many times did we move the decimal point? We moved it twice, so we are going to divide by 10 to the power of 2. But 10 to the power of 2 is 100 because 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So this is going to be 25 divided by 100. Okay, so we have converted the decimal to fraction, but we haven't converted it to its lowest term. The lowest term of a fraction is a form of the fraction that cannot be divided further. Very important. So let's look at 25 and 100. What number can divide both 25 and 100? The answer is 5. So 25 divided by 5 is going to give you 5, and 100 divided by 5 is going to give you 20. So we have 5 all over 20. Have we gotten to its lowest term? If you leave it at this point, your answer is wrong, because there is still a number that can divide both 5 and 20, and that number is 5. So 5 divided by 5, 1. 20 divided by 5, 4. So that means we have 1 all over 4. So can we divide 1 all over 4 any further? Is there any number that can divide both 1 and 4 to give you answers that are whole number? The answer is no. So this means 0.25 as a fraction in its lowest term is equal to 1 all over 4. Very simple. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.